Hello everyone, welcome to Work Smart Math. I am Amy, the creator of Work Smart Math and a highly experienced private math tutor. In this video, I will demonstrate how to multiply and divide fractions. Before we get started, I hope you are familiar with times tables. Another thing we need to bear in mind is whenever we do fraction operations, we need to make sure the answers are always in their simplest form. Please see my other video if you would like to brush up your skills on how to simplify fractions. Let's start with the multiplication of fractions. The method is multiplying the top numbers like this and multiply the bottom numbers like this. To get the final answer. Okay, it's pretty straightforward, isn't it? Let's spice things up a little bit and take a look at a question with bigger numbers like these ones. Well, the method is the same. And remember to always simplify your answer. Please feel free to pause the video now and give it a go at yourself and compare your answer with mine later on. Is there a quicker or smarter way of multiplying fractions? Yes, let's simplify these numbers before we get to 42 over 280. 7 is a factor of 35. So when we divide both numbers by 7, we get 1 and 5. 8 is not a multiple of 6, but they have a common factor 2. That means both can be divided by 2 to give us 3 and 4. So this leaves us with 1 times 3 at the top and 4 times 5 at the bottom to give 3 over 20. Is that the same answer you get earlier? What do we do when we have a fraction multiplying with an integer? Let's have a look at an example. Can 5 over 6 be transformed into an integer? The answer is no. Can we transform 8 into a fraction? The answer is yes. Because 8 is the same as 8 over 1. Remember to simplify beforehand, if you can. There you go. Now let's have a look at the division of fractions. Five over 12 divided by 1/3. Again, we've only learned how to multiply fractions. So what we need to do is to try to convert this from a division to a multiplication. How do we do that? There are 2 small steps. One is to change the divide sign into multiply and then flip the second number to its reciprocal. So 1/3 becomes 3/1. Now always remember to simplify. So the answer is 5/4. Let's have a look at another example. When we divide a fraction by an integer, with what you've learned so far, fear no more. Again, we change the divide to multiply and flip 15 to its reciprocal. Remember, 15 is just 15/1. So the reciprocal of that is 1/15. And simplify as you go. So, you have learned multiply and divide fractions today. The key is to always try to simplify as soon as possible. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more. I also offer online tutoring lessons, which can be easily booked at www.worksmartmath.com. Why work harder when you can work smarter? See you next time.